If your DeWalt battery charger starts showing a fast, blinking red light, it usually means the charger has detected a problem and cannot continue charging the battery normally. During normal charging, the red light blinks slowly, but a rapid flashing signal is a warning that something is wrong. In many cases, the issue is related to battery temperature, poor connection between the battery and charger, dirty contacts, or a battery that has become deeply discharged. Sometimes the charger itself may also have a fault. The good news is that most of these problems can be identified quickly with a few simple checks. By inspecting the battery condition, verifying the charger connection, and ensuring the battery is within a safe temperature range, you can often fix the issue and restore normal charging. Step 1. Remove the battery and insert it again firmly until it clicks into place. Step 2. Let the battery cool down if it feels hot from recent use. Step 3. Warm the battery slightly if it has been stored in a very cold place. Step 4. Check the battery for cracks, swelling, or other visible damage. Step 5. Clean the battery and charger contacts using a dry cloth. Step 6. Test the charger in a different power outlet to ensure stable power. Step 7. Measure battery voltage with a multimeter to check battery health. Step 8. Replace the battery or contact service support if the blinking continues.